Okay, so today we are going the fire extinguisher collection and refilling process. We are collected the empty cylinders. Now we are going to the workshop. So I will explain the cylinder system. The pressure vessel that holds the extinguishing agent. Here's how it works. The cylinder is filled with the agent, which could be something like dry chemical, foam, or clean agent, depending on the type of extinguisher. When you pull the pin and squeeze the handle, it opens the valve, allowing the pressurized agent to escape through the hose and nozzle. The pressure that pushes the agent out comes from the propellant, which could be a gas like nitrogen or carbon dioxide, or it might be the pressure of the agent itself if it's a stored pressure type extinguisher. When the valve opens, the pressure forces the agent out of the cylinder, through the hose, and out the nozzle, creating a stream of extinguishing agent that you can direct at the fire. The goal is to smother the fire by removing oxygen, cooling the fuel, or interrupting the chemical reaction, depending on the type of agent used. The cylinder itself is designed to withstand high pressures, and it's regularly inspected and tested to ensure it remains safe and functional. That's the basic principle behind how a fire extinguisher cylinder works.